In a time after a big, scary shake-up, a man named Rayford Steele starts looking for his wife, Amanda White. Imagine a world turned upside down with buildings crumbled to dust, streets torn apart, and the air filled with fear and uncertainty. This is the world where Rayford Steele finds himself, in a place known as New Babylon, a once bustling city, now a grim testament to the terrible event known as the Wrath of the Lamb earthquake. Rayford's heart is heavy, his mind filled with worry for his wife, Amanda White. He navigates through the rubble, his determination unwavering, his spirit unbroken. But Rayford is not alone in his quest. Elsewhere, another brave soul embarks on a journey of his own. Meet Buck Williams, a man of steel, a man of courage. His heart, too, is burdened with worry for his wife, Chloe Steele. Their home, once filled with laughter and love, now lays in ruins. Yet Buck remains undeterred, his resolve as steadfast as the rising sun. In the midst of this destruction, a glimmer of hope emerges. The global community, a beacon of unity in this fractured world, introduces something extraordinary. Cell Sol, they call it, a network powered by the very sun itself. A small victory, a ray of light in the shadow of devastation. But even as the world struggles to rebuild, a strange phenomenon comes to light. Believers, those who have kept their faith amidst the chaos, find a peculiar mark on their foreheads, a silent nod to their unwavering devotion. The world as we know it has changed. The familiar has turned strange, the ordinary extraordinary. But in the face of adversity, the human spirit remains indomitable. Rayford and Buck, two ordinary men thrown into an extraordinary situation, remain resolute. Their love for their wives fuels their determination. Their hope lights their way in the darkest of times. In this time of worry and fear, the whole world is in ruins. But even in ruins there is hope, there is courage, there is love. And as long as these remain, the human spirit will endure, come what may. While everyone is scared and confused, the global community starts something new. In a world plunged into chaos, where fear and uncertainty are the new norms, a beacon of hope flickers. The global community, undeterred by the devastation, signals a new era of communication. They launch Cell Sol, a groundbreaking innovation that harnesses the power of the sun to connect people. This solar-powered cell phone network is more than just a technological marvel. It's a lifeline, a thread of normalcy amidst the turmoil. As the world crumbles, the global community strives to rebuild, to reknit the fabric of society that has been so violently torn apart. Cell Sol isn't just about keeping people connected. It's a statement, a testament to the indomitable human spirit that refuses to be quashed even in the face of such adversity. But it's not just technological advances that are making their mark in this new world. Something mysterious, something deeply spiritual is happening amongst the believers. They discover a strange mark on their foreheads, a mark that seems to identify them, to connect them in a way that transcends the physical. This mark is more than just a symbol. It's a sign of faith, a beacon of hope in a world that seems to be losing its way. In the midst of the chaos, amidst the rubble and the ruins, these believers find solace in their shared mark, their shared faith. It binds them together, gives them strength, and provides a form of unity that no man-made network could ever hope to achieve. This mark, like the Cell Sol network, is a beacon in the darkness. It's a reminder that even in the bleakest of times, even amidst the chaos and the confusion, there is always hope. There is always a way to connect, to unite, to find common ground. Even in dark times, there are always signs of hope and unity. As the world around them crumbles, these believers, these survivors, these pioneers of a new world remind us all of the power of hope, the power of unity, and the power of faith. Opening, while the world is still in chaos, Buck finds his wife, Chloe. In the heart of turmoil, amidst the wreckage of a world that once was, a glimmer of hope shines. Buck, a man of unwavering resolve, begins his desperate search. His heart yearns for one person, his beloved wife, Chloe. Amidst the rubble and ruin, a beacon of light shines in the darkness, a GC hospital. Upon entering this sanctuary, Buck's heart pounds with anticipation and fear. He navigates the eerie halls of the hospital, each step echoing his determination. His mind races, his thoughts consumed by Chloe. He imagines her radiant as ever, yet bearing the signs of a world torn asunder. Suddenly he spots her, Chloe, the love of his life, her spirit unbroken despite the catastrophe that surrounds her. But it's not just Chloe he finds, she's expecting a baby. A symbol of life and hope amidst despair, a new beginning in the end of times. With a heart filled with relief and newfound hope, Buck reaches out to Chloe. He holds her close, promising to protect her and their unborn child from the chaos that rages outside. Their reunion is a moment of solace, a testament to their unwavering love amidst a world in turmoil. But the moment is fleeting. They must escape from the hospital, from the clutches of the global community. With Chloe by his side, Buck embarks on a daring rescue mission. They navigate through the labyrinthine corridors of the hospital, their hearts pounding, their spirits unyielding. The outside world greets them with its apocalyptic landscape, but they are undeterred. Together they brave the chaos, their love for each other, their guiding light. They are survivors, bound by a love that transcends the end of the world. Their journey is far from over, but for now they have each other. Amidst the ruins of their home, amidst a world in chaos, they find comfort in each other's arms. Closing. In the midst of all the confusion, Buck and Chloe find each other again. Meanwhile, Rayford and his friend Mac make a sad discovery. Our hearts hang heavy as we journey with Rayford and Mac, two brave souls navigating the turbulent waters of the Tigris River. Amidst the chaos and uncertainty, they are driven by a single purpose: to find Amanda, the woman Rayford loves more than life itself. The river, once a symbol of life and vitality, is now a chilling reminder of the devastation that has swept across the world. It's in these troubled waters that they make a discovery that will forever be etched in their hearts. They find Amanda, the woman whose laughter once filled the air, whose presence was a beacon of hope in their darkest hours. But the joy of finding her is swiftly replaced with a deep, unbearable sorrow. She is no longer the vibrant woman they knew and loved. She is silent, still, her spirit carried away by the river's relentless current. The sorrow that washes over Rayford and Mac is as deep and as vast as the river itself. Their hearts ache with the pain of loss, the emptiness that comes with saying goodbye to someone you love. It's a moment that leaves them broken, yet bound by a shared grief. In the middle of all the scary signs, they find Amanda, but it's too late. The world continues to crumble around them, but in this moment, all they can feel is the weight of their loss. Opening. As the world gets scarier with comets crashing and stars breaking, the Tribulation Force faces a big test. In the face of unimaginable chaos, the Tribulation Force stands strong. They're a group of steadfast believers who have managed to weather the storm of the wrath of the Lamb earthquake. But now they are confronted with an even bigger challenge. The world around them is crumbling. The skies are filled with falling stars and crashing comets, and danger lurks around every corner. Yet amidst all this, their faith remains unshaken. They are the ones who carry the mysterious mark on their foreheads, a symbol of their unwavering belief. And in these moments of despair and destruction, they find strength in each other. They know they are not alone in their fight. They are the beacon of hope in a world that is rapidly falling into darkness. But this is the ultimate test for the Tribulation Force. It's not just about surviving the destructive forces that are tearing the world apart. It's about maintaining their faith, their hope, and their unity in the face of the greatest adversity they have ever faced. In these moments of crisis, they are asked to hold on to their belief, to stand strong, and to face the chaos head-on. It's a test of their courage, their resilience, and above all, their faith. Closing. In a world full of fear and danger, their faith is being tested like never before.